If you're ever distressed, cast your eyes to the summer sky.
Hey guys, what is up? Today I am doing a vlog-ish kind of video. So today I'm going to the Orange County Fair with Cassidy, so you guys know her, that's good. But yeah, today I'm just going to do like a vlog-ish kind of video. I mean, it's more like a get ready, so I'll show you guys my makeup, my outfit when I get there and stuff. So I'm still gonna like set up my camera like in front of a window when I do my makeup because like the lighting in here is really bad. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright guys, so sorry my hair is wet and all. I just got out of the shower and I don't want to put it up yet because I'm trying to let it dry like this. I'm super excited. I've never been, actually I lied. I have been to the fair, but I don't know if it was like the Orange County one. I feel like it was just like a random fair like on the streets. But yeah, I'm like super excited. It's just gonna be like really hot, that's the thing. Like I was debating on wearing makeup, but I'm like, you know what? I'm trying to look cute for pictures, so I want to. And I've been recently using my Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I kind of stopped using it for a while. I have found my way back to it. I love it so much. It literally just feels like a moisturizer and it feels so hydrating. I actually think today I'm going to do like some kind of eyeshadow look because I haven't worn eyeshadow in a while, and wow, I got the primer in my eye and it hurts. Oh my gosh. Anyways, and I've been also using the Professional a lot. Like I said with the priming moisturizer, like I've stopped using these two products, but I've just like found my way back to it, and yeah. When I'm breaking out like I am right now, I love just using this primer because it seriously just smooths out like the pimples, so it's not so like in your face when I wear makeup. Alright, so I think I'm gonna mix these two together, but before that I have to do my Urban Decay Prime and what is it? Quick Fix. Okay. Comment down below some good powders. I mean, I'm kind of over the whole like loose powder baking thing. So if you have any good like pressed powders that aren't too matte, aren't too shiny, but then also like not make you oily, because I'm trying to look for a really good one because I'm just really over the whole like baking thing. It's like, it's become a hassle. I do have this It Cosmetics CC Plus powder. It has SPF 50, which is super cool, and I got it in medium, but it's too like cool tone for me. Everything that I wear is like warm tone, so like it's just not the right shade. I can make it work, but it's just like doesn't look that good, but I'm gonna try it again today and see how it works. And I'm also just gonna use some concealer, just like cover up like any blemishes that I have, just for some extra coverage. I've been using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and people have said it's like drying, but I haven't had any problems, and my under eyes are pretty dry. And I'm in the shade Macadamia. Okay, I need to definitely wipe my lips because they are so covered in foundation. It's a little ridiculous. I'm just using my Ben Nye banana powder. And I also try to avoid putting powder on my nose because that's also where like it looks really cakey for me. So I literally just try and do it on my T-zone and then just like kind of spread the rest out with the remaining product. Okay, so I'm going to do bronzer now. I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs one. So pretty. I used this last night and I actually really like it. It's like the perfect color for me. But wait, there's more. I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweet Tea bronzer. So this is like a baked bronzer. And I just like to use this kind of where my highlighter goes. So it looks like really cute, really glowy, tip of my nose. I'm going to take my favorite blush in the whole entire world. It is the MAC Peaches blush. Looks like this. It's so perfect for summer. Like it just gives you the most like flushed look, and it's just so pretty. Like it looks like I just got back from Cancun. Just looks so glowy right now. Alright, I had to put my hair up. It's too hot. I can't do it anymore. Alright, so I'm just going to use some eyeshadow primer. I'm using the one from Smashbox. It's so good. Like, if you have dry eyelids, oily eyelids, like, this can handle anything. A pro tip for you guys. When you're doing your nose highlight, use a small brush like this, like an eyeshadow brush, so you can precisely place it on the tip of your nose and it doesn't look all crazy. Like, hello. I was about to highlight my brow bone, but what brow bone? It is non-existent. My hair is covering it. It's a mess. Alright, so I'm going to use some e.l.f. Dewy Berry Liquid Lip Stain. My wrist was so itchy. And I just like to place this on my lips, not too much, but just enough to get a nice pink color. I like how when someone takes a shower, you can just like hear it throughout my whole house. Like, alright guys, I'm done with the makeup. Just have to do some setting spray. I've been using the Slay All Day setting spray in peach. It smells delicious. Alright guys, so the rest of this vlog will continue on my phone because my camera overheats so much in the sun. Like, I was just sitting right in front of this and it was overheating like 3 times, which is super annoying. But anyways, this is what my makeup looks like. I love it so much. I haven't done something like colorful-ish in forever. Yeah. I really like it. It's like super summery and fun. It's a good time. Alright guys, so I think this is the outfit I'm going to wear. I'm not entirely sure, but I will show you guys what I'm wearing once I get there. Just like some old Nikes. I seriously need to get new ones. Look how dirty they are. Ugh, they look so gross. And yeah, just with some cute bracelets that I made and stuff. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so here with Cassidy. So it's about, what time is it?
I think it's 2, about 2.
Yeah, so it's 2 something. We just got to the fair, the Orange County Fair. So yeah, we had Chick-fil-A before and now we just gotta like get inside, and then I'll show you guys my outfit like once I'm in there, so see you then.
Please do not pull down on the bars. The bars will come down for you automatically.
That'd be pretty freaking out, yeah. I'll take it off. Okay, so guys, it's super hot. I'm sorry you have to see me like this. Like, my makeup is pure disgust. I should have baked my face today. Yeah, it's really bad. It's so hot, but like, it's so much fun. Like, we're having a good time. I'll show you all the crazy rides that they have here. It's actually ridiculous. It's actually insane. I can't look at myself anymore. Alright, so we're on this kind of cage looking ride. So basically it's like a Ferris wheel, but like 10 times more sketchier, so it like spins as you're spinning. And I was too scared to bring my phone to this capacity. If you could even hear us. Yeah.
So, oh shit, are we already going? Hold on. Are we already going?
Let's relax.
Okay, we just died.
Okay, that was not, dude, it's been like 3 times. Hold on.
That literally did 3. Bro, my stomach's in my throat right now.
I had to burp the whole time, but I was too afraid that Alright guys, so we are in the Ferris wheel right now, and it's air conditioned. Praise.
This is why we paid the ticket.
No, this was legit 20 tickets. Look at the view.
Oh my gosh,
It's so pretty. But yeah, it was worth it because we have air conditioning and it feels so good.